Hey guys, remember me? Yeah, Talia, beauty guru girl. Yeah. Well, today I'm going to be doing a cancer vlog, just vlog update type video. I've been in the hospital for the past 4 weeks, and it's been very, very dreadful. Very dreadful. And I'm not planning anything, as in like, I'm not planning to leave the hospital because I'd rather be in the hospital comfortable and my pain under control than be at home in pain, uncomfortable, and just uncomfortable. I'd rather be in the hospital where...
That video I just shared with you was the last video that Talia uploaded to her YouTube channel. I'm here at a cemetery, and we're now going to pay our final respects to little Talia. She was diagnosed with neuroblastoma at a mere 7 years old, fought bravely with the disease for 6 years, as well as taking on a pre-case of leukemia. She didn't allow it to get her down. She continued to fight bravely against the disease, making it 6 years before ultimately succumbing to the deadly disease. Right here. The final resting place of Talia Joy Castellano, beloved daughter, sister, granddaughter, friend, makeup artist, style icon, dancer, and honorary cover girl. August 18th of 1999 to July 16th of 2013. She passed almost a month before her 14th birthday. She never allowed beloved daughter, sister, granddaughter, friend, makeup artist, style icon, dancer, and honorary cover girl. August 18th of 1999 to July 16th of 2013. She passed almost a month before her 14th birthday. She never allowed her illnesses to keep her from being able to reach for the stars. She had a couple different mottos that she followed. One was her makeup, was her wig, as well as just keep swimming. It's been on my list for a while to come pay my respects to Talia. She fought so bravely against these terrible diseases. Hopefully in a world one day these diseases would not exist, and we would no longer have to see young, powerful individuals like Talia having to battle such treacherous illnesses. May Talia rest in peace. May her family find strength. Her channel still exists. It's amassed 1.3 million subscribers, and all of the revenue that's generated from the channel goes directly to a fund that's then donated to the Philadelphia or Pennsylvania Center for the neuroblastoma research, which is the form of cancer that she was battling. So I'm going to put the link down below to her channel, as well as to any of the other organizations that she was associated with, so that if you want to make a contribution, or if you want to check out her channel, as always, all of the resources from that channel go directly to cancer research. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, continue to look for the history and film. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do, so you don't miss out on getting the opportunity to pay your respects. I didn't realize how close I was distance-wise to this location. I knew that she lived in Orlando, but I never knew that she was so close. The dog barking in the background. So as always, continue to look for this in film. Have a great day, everyone. Happy New Year.
Yeah. Well, I just wanted to say I love you guys, and I really miss you, and I really, 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 really love you, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Yeah. Alright. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.